The UAE has approved a new remote work visa to enable employees from all over the world to live and work in the country for 1 year, in addition to a multiple entry tourist visa for all nationalities. The new resolutions are among several initiatives approved by the cabinet during a meeting chaired by His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, Vice President and Prime Minister of the UAE and ruler of Dubai, to position the UAE as an ideal work and tourist destination. Sheikh Mohammed tweeted, "During a cabinet meeting I chaired, we approved a new remote work visa that enables employees from all over the world to live and work remotely from the UAE, even if their companies are based in another country. We also approved a multiple entry visa for all nationalities to strengthen the UAE's status as a global economic capital." Sheikh Mohammed reaffirmed that the governments continue developing flexible programs and initiatives to place the UAE as one of the world's best governments, to provide services and offer the best quality of life for citizens and residents. For more on this story, click the link below or log on to gulfnews.com.